All right, y'all, today I'm at Victoria Dodge and I've got my RHO behind me, and one of the biggest things is calibrating for 37s. And the reason is, it's like you're shifting on your transmission, all your performance pages, all that information's inaccurate. And like, I know, you know, at 75, I'm about 5 to 6 off. But the problem is, if my daughter or my wife drives that vehicle and they have the speedometer set at 75, they're almost doing 83, 84, because the faster you go, the more it's off. So I'm here with David Kendrick today. We're at Victoria Dodge. We've sent some emails to engineering and we got a response. And now we could not program the new Atlantis architecture before because this is the new technology. But now I'm gonna let David talk to you about what we can program on these new 25 and up. And this is also to include the HDs, right, David?
That's correct.
Okay, so tell us about what size we can do and what we can do on these.
Yeah, no problem. So guys, on the 25 and ups with the Atlantis architecture right now, Ram is telling us that we're able to go up to a 38-inch tire. In the near future, we'll be able to go up to a 44. Also, currently, up to 24 models, you can go up to a 44-inch tire with no issues.
And you know, like I said, this just is going to get all of your stuff accurate, having the speedometer accurate. And it's really good if somebody else drives that vehicle, because if they don't know and they go get a ticket, or you know, they're on the highway. And so anyway, it's just something I like, I'm OCD about, and I'm really glad that Ram has made it available for these new body style trucks that were 25 and up. So we're going to get one of their service techs, they're going to program it. How long does it roughly take to program that?
It should be about a 30-minute process. It's pretty quick. We just have to update the sales code on our side. With a service contract, tech will just have to restore the vehicle configuration, and then it should give him that tire size as an option to select at that time.
And the good thing about this is when you do it through a dealership like this, is it's attached to your VIN. So once you've paid for that service contract, it's like if they ever have to do a restore or a software update or a flash, right, David?
It's always there.
It's always there. So it's not like you're going to have to come back and reprogram it. So, you know, let's say they had to reflash the ECM. It's tied to your VIN through RAM. So now that 37 will stay in there. And now we can do half-inch increments too. So like today, I've got the BF Goodrich KM3s, which is a 36.4.
Right.
So roughly we're gonna do a 36.5. There's nothing in between, so you have to do the half. So you can do 36.5, 37, 37.5 in that range. But anyway, so David's gonna knock this truck out. I'm gonna hand him the keys here in just a second, and then we're gonna go drive it when he's done. We'll show you how it works. But David, thanks for being in the video this morning and letting us know about it.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
All right, stay tuned. Okay, so we left the service department. We're running 76 miles an hour down the highway, and Waze is showing 77. So y'all, we are within basically 1 mile an hour of being accurate on 36.5. So head to your service department, get the contract, and your speedometer is going to be accurate.